In the span of just a few decades, the Internet has transformed from a scientific novelty into an indispensable global resource, fundamentally changing the way we live, work, and communicate. The journey from the days of dial-up connections to the era of lightning-fast 5G networks is a story of innovation, aspiration, and relentless progress. Let's begin in the late 1960s, a time when the seeds of the Internet were first sown. The United States Department of Defense funded a project called ARPANET, which is often credited as the precursor to the modern Internet. The aim was to create a network that could withstand any form of disruption, ensuring seamless communication between computers across various locations. This led to the development of packet switching, a revolutionary technology that allowed data to be broken into small packets, sent over a network, and then reassembled at the destination. As we moved into the 1980s, the Internet began to extend its reach beyond military and academic institutions. In 1983, the TCP/IP protocol suite was introduced, setting the standard for data exchange and effectively forming the basic architecture of the Internet as we know it. Around this time, the word Internet itself began to gain popularity. Computers started to connect with each other, forming networks that would eventually span the globe. By the late 1980s, the introduction of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee marked a turning point in the history of the Internet. While often used interchangeably, it's important to note that the World Wide Web is not the same as the Internet. Rather, it is a service that operates over the Internet. Berners-Lee's invention made the Internet accessible to the masses, allowing users to navigate through information using hyperlinks and a graphical interface, rather than cryptic text commands. The 1990s witnessed a boom in Internet use as personal computers became more affordable, and modems allowed home users to dial into networks using standard telephone lines. This was the era of dial-up Internet, characterized by the unforgettable sound of modem tones and painfully slow connection speeds. Despite these limitations, the world was captivated. The Internet became a cultural phenomenon, and businesses were eager to establish an online presence. As we crossed into the new millennium, broadband connections began to replace dial-up, offering significantly faster speeds and always-on connectivity. Technologies like DSL and cable internet revolutionized the way people interacted with the digital world. This change heralded a new age of streaming media, online gaming, and other bandwidth-intensive activities that are taken for granted today. The past decade has been marked by the advent and rapid advancement of wireless internet. With the introduction of 3G and 4G technologies, mobile internet use surged, untethering users from desktop constraints and allowing access from almost anywhere. Smartphones and tablets became ubiquitous, and apps emerged as the new frontier for internet innovation and consumer engagement. Today, we are in the midst of the 5G revolution. Promising to be up to 100 times faster than its predecessors, 5G technology is set to revolutionize various industries, enabling the seamless integration of smart devices, autonomous vehicles, and the burgeoning Internet of Things. Beyond increased speed, 5G offers lower latency and higher capacity, setting the stage for unprecedented technological advancements and economic growth. As our journey through the history of the Internet draws to a close, one can't help but wonder what the future holds. With each advancement building upon the last, the potential seems limitless. From humble beginnings to the mighty networks of today, the Internet stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable desire to connect. In conclusion, the evolution of the Internet, from dial-up to 5G, underscores the profound impact of technological progress on society. It has redefined how we access information, conduct business, and connect with one another around the globe. As we continue to innovate and explore new frontiers, the Internet will undoubtedly remain at the center of our shared digital experience, shaping our future in ways we are only beginning to imagine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to continue learning.